Hi designers, it's Lydia with you again. Today I will show you how to save your Figma files in different formats like PNG, SVG, PDF, JPG, or even for the PowerPoint presentation. To save any frame you need to click on it, then on the right side panel scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Export. Choose the format and the size in which you want to save your file and then click Export button. You can do multiple frames in one time if you want. Choose all the frames and follow the same process as I showed you already. To save the files for the PowerPoint presentation, open Plug-in Pitch Deck Presentation Studio. Arrange the slides in the good order and wait until downloading. Then press Export, choose the type of the file you need. For us it will be PowerPoint, it can be also Google Slides, and save it on your computer. For more design and Figma tips go on my account.